Good day, YouTube. This is Jay Money with Fallingboard Financial. Just an update here on Lithium Americas Corp. As you follow my channel, you know I'm into EVs, lithium, any picks and shovel play that we can profit off of the EVs, and lithium is one of those. This is Lithium Americas Corp. Ticker is LAC. And as you can see, what this one's done over the last year, up over 244%. So just kind of crazy. Could have got it in there at 937. In the last 3 months, it's up over 95%. So even if you would have got in the last 3 months, you'd have made a killing on this one. So could have got in at 1541. Pretty much doubled your money there. Up over 47% in the last month. Here's what it looks like in the last week, up over 6% and almost 4% here today. So every 1 year, 3 month, all of them are in the green. So again, ticker LAC. As you can see, I have 10 shares here at cost basis of 426. So I wish that had a zero behind it, but it doesn't. I've had this one for a while. We'll go over that here in a moment. So Lithium Americas Corp is a resource company which engages in lithium development projects. Its projects include Thacker Pass and so on. It's founded in 2007. $4.13 billion market cap. 52-week high of 36.49 and low of 8.95. 71% ratings on this one as a buy, and earnings are coming up on this one, so expected on November 23rd after hours. So we'll see what happens on that day. I've also talked about Piedmont here in the past, so well, it's not showing history. That's kind of interesting. I've had this one for over a year, as you can see, so it's I've had this one for a while. This is a little bit older information, but still kind of relevant to lithium. As a Canadian resource company, operates various projects, namely the, go ahead and say that word, lithium brine project in Jujuy, Argentina, and the Thacker Pass lithium claystone project in Nevada. Currently at $34.30, up 1.29, $1.29, and 3.91% today. Here's some information, just kind of scroll through. It's just talking about a acquisition offer of Millennial Lithium Corp. So it looks like in the purchase price. So feel free to pause and go over that. So moving on, this is dated on the 4th. TD Securities lifts Lithium Americas Corp. Price estimate, who else is bullish? So loss minus 0.72% to close at $29.05 with a heavy trading volume. The company report on November 1st, 2021, the Lithium Americas makes offer to acquire Millennial Lithium. And so we'll see what that does in time to the price. Pleased to announce that it has submitted an unconditional offer to Millennial Lithium Corp. to acquire the outstanding shares of the Millennial offer. Under the terms of the offer, on closing, each Millennial shareholder will receive $4.70 per common share payable to Lithium Americas Corp common share. So a little acquisition going on, and just trying to be the bigger and better lithium company out there. So here's a look at its value. This is dated on the 5th. During the last session, Lithium Americas Corp traded shares were 9.44 million, with a beta value of the company hitting 1.48 at the end of the trading day. Stock's price was $32.18, reflecting an intraday gain of 9.20% or $2.71. The 52-week high for the Lithium Americas share is $30.18. That puts it up 6.22% from that peak through, still striking 72.19% or 72.19% gain since the share price plummeted to a 52-week low of $8.95. The company's market capitalization is $4.56 billion and average trade volume of 5.24 million shares over the past 3 months. Here it kind of goes over some trade information. This is just a long-term hold of mine. I have not traded this one. I have been trading some solar stocks, so maybe I'll do a video about those later. How is Lithium Americas Corp expected to fare in the coming months? This is dated on the 9th. Has a beta value of 1.51 and has seen 9.05 million shares traded in the last trading session. The company currently valued at $5.21 billion, closed the last trade at $35.34 per share, which meant it gained $2.67 on the day, or 8.17% during that session. The LAC stock price is 5.43% above its 52-week high price of $33.42 and 74.67% above the 52-week low of $8.95. The 3-month trading volume is 5.40 million shares. And just going to scroll through the rest of the information. Here's a price target for the stock at $27.63, which means the share value could drop 27.9%. Lithium Corp is 175.46 higher this year to date. Is it still time to buy? And like I said, I don't give tax, legal, or trading advice, so I'll scroll through this and you can decide for yourself. But these are long-term plays for myself. Any lithium play is a long-term hold. So if you look at EVs, those are only going to grow and keep selling. I mean, just look at Tesla and their earnings. They had a great earnings. That's why the stock price went up, although it's been going down this week. So I think that's in regards to Elon selling some of his shares. But I feel any lithium play is good to look into. So over here on Reddit, I recently transferred from T10 LAC to a large research university. Here are some things I wish I knew before. Super volcano about to erupt. I like that. So over here on StockTwits, currently at $34.30 with a 52-week low of $8.95, high of $36.49. So it's getting up there, getting close to the 52-week high. Nice little day. Keep it up. Good setup for the close. And I've talked about a couple other lithium plays. American Lithium Corp. I believe I talked about that at one point in time. And Spearmint Resources. Have not heard of that one. I don't believe I've talked about that one. Over here on Tip Ranks, currently showing a moderate buy with a downside of minus 19.13% to $27.74. High of $34, low of $19. But if you have a Lithium Americas Corp or any other lithium play out there, I've talked about a couple lithium plays here on the channel. So feel free to check those out in the description. And that is it for LAC Lithium Americas Corp. If you have this one, go ahead and list it in the comments along with your cost basis, any other information you want to share. And if you haven't smashed that like button yet, go ahead and hit that for me, as well as subscribing and hit the bell so you're notified of when the next videos drop. Again, this is J Money, Falling Forward Financial. Happy trading, happy investing, stay green. Cheers.